Okay guys, your guy JD again. I'm back with another analysis. On this one, we're gonna be looking at Nasdaq and how Nasdaq is trading at the current moment. So if we were to look at Nasdaq, guys, I would like us to go on a daily or start on a weekly time frame. Um, but I think the daily is gonna be fine because if we go to a weekly time frame, what we're just gonna be seeing is just the bigger picture of how Nasdaq has been moving. So you can see here guys, that we had this support which turned into a resistance, which is where the market is currently tapping on now. Okay, after we see that the market reversed after retesting this high here that we had from this long buying leg here. So I'm still suggesting that we are still gonna be seeing some form of a consolidation like this, which means that if we were to clone this and then have to bring it back up here, okay, you can see that that's what we got, but I still believe that it's the same thing that we might still be seeing again. We might just see a short version of it, so I believe that we gonna still be seeing the same thing just like this again before we currently push to the upside. Okay, I believe that Nasdaq is pretty much bullish where it is now. We are looking for more bulls on this market, but judging from what I'm seeing now there, so like I'm showing you, this is what we are currently gonna be expecting to see on Nasdaq. Okay, expecting to see something like that. Okay, I'm expecting to see something like that. So if I were to be looking for my confluences, so my X factor, if I were to draw it like this, we're gonna pull me all the way down to this zone here. Okay, it was gonna be pulling me all the way back down to this area here for Nasdaq to pull out a big buy. So there's a high possibility that we might come and violate this zone here first before we can start making a huge pushback to break the high. So we might just have a double top, but if not, I have two solutions on it, or I have two scenarios on it. There's still a possibility that Nasdaq might just go for a break above. So if Nasdaq is going for a break above, it means that we're just gonna be buying it all the way to 25. But if we start by retesting this area here, guys, just know that we're gonna buy Nasdaq nicely. It's gonna be a beautiful buy if we are buying Nasdaq from this low here, going all the way up. Okay, that's gonna be the most beautiful buy that you're gonna get on Nasdaq. But then, guys, without wasting time, let's continue. So daily, we can tell that Nasdaq it's retesting here, and we can see that this downtrending channel that we had here, we broke above it, which turned this resistance into a support. And then we can see that we are forming another support after this break, this impulse start another support here, which if we are trading above it, Nasdaq is considered to be on a bullish momentum. But the moment we break below it, just know that that can be a sign of a reversal, which might lead Nasdaq all the way down to this zone here. Okay, so let's go ahead and look into our 4 hours. Okay, so on our 4 hours time frame, guys, it's where you can see everything clear now, in which if I go and turn my wicks on, you can see that we have been trying to retest all that area there, but I still believe that we might see some fake outs where we might end up tapping on the 22,000 zone, and then we start dropping from there. Okay, there's a high possibility that Nasdaq is looking to turn this support zone here into a resistance, which means that instead of seeing SS, we're gonna be seeing SRR there, which means that support turned into a resistance, and then we're gonna be looking for a push to the downside. And you can see I have another horizontal line here, which is also indicating that if Nasdaq drops, then we're gonna be looking for a short position on Nasdaq. Okay, so what we're gonna be expecting is a break and then a retest on this X factor here, which is the confluence of sales, and then we're gonna be looking for a continuous move all the way to the downside on Nasdaq. Okay, so it's something that we just gonna have to keep our eyes peeled for, but that's what I'm seeing on Nasdaq going forward. Okay, I wish I can run through my trading plan with you, but that's gonna be way too long. But I do have a trading plan made just for Nasdaq, but just not quite interested into running it through now. But if we were to talk about everything. We're gonna be talking about the Nasdaq trading plan. Okay, so this is the trading plan on Nasdaq, as you can see. Okay, this is the trading plan on Nasdaq, and everything that I'm talking about there now is here on my trading plan, and everything that I'm gonna be looking out for. Even if I'm gonna be looking for buys, as you can see, this is the trading plan for buys, and then the first one you see there, it was the trading plan for sales. Okay, so it's all about knowing all the confluences that you have, the confluence of support and resistance, and also knowing all the scenarios that you're going to be facing when you're going to be trading this setup. Okay, so that's all that I have on Nasdaq. I will see you guys on another video, guys. I'm out.